Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. Today I've got another fun and super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making a two-tiered glam Christmas centerpiece. And so what you're going to need some of this floral diamond wrap. I have got some laurel leaves here in silver. And also I have some eucalyptus leaves or stems in silver. And I picked these items up at Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event supplies, party supplies, decor, event lighting, and so much more. They have provided me with a custom coupon code, a cozy casita, all one word, just like the channel name. And you can use that coupon code to save yourself 15% on orders with Efavormart. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom coupon code and affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check that out. What you're going to need from Dollar Tree is you're going to need 2 of these silver trays. You'll need 2 of these glass Tealight holders. You'll need 2 little pieces of floral foam. And then I just have an array of different florals and picks from Dollar Tree. So I've got some white poinsettias, silver holly berries, silver snowflakes, silver ornaments, and then I have one of these pieces from one of the large snowflakes that Dollar Tree has, the clear snowflakes. My husband broke these putting them into the attic last year, so I just snapped a few pieces off, and I may be using these as picks in this centerpiece. We'll see as we go along. I have like greenery here from Garland and then picks from Dollar Tree. And in these bags are just more of the same. More of the greenery and then more of the florals as well and ornaments. So that's what's in the bags. I've got some peel and stick gemstones. I picked these up at Walmart. However, you can find these on a half sheet size at Dollar Tree. I will be using hot glue on my project. If you like to make your project permanent, please use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will work to make it permanent. These are the items that we need in order to get the project completed. So let's get started. Okay, you guys, now didn't this centerpiece turn out absolutely gorgeous? And it was so easy to make. Now let's go ahead and start playing around and decorating with it. Okay, well there you have it guys. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you guys will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.